Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Lucid Motors, ticker symbol LCID. And so I am recording this on Tuesday morning, March 26th, during pre-market. And yesterday, on Monday, Lucid closed at a price of $2.92, being up almost 5.5% on the day, but that upside move continues during the pre-market, being right around $3 or up about 2.5% in the pre-market trading. And so we can see this pretty big red candle from March 25th on Monday. Price did go up 5.42% on the day. And if we actually look at the close from last Friday, taking a measurement to the top of that candle, that represents a more than 20%, almost 21% move to the top of that wick. And I just wanted to go over basically what I went over last week. I thought this was a bear flag. I called it incorrectly. On the 19th, I put out a video suggesting that price would be going lower. But in fact, what has happened is actually, I think, a couple of really bullish things, all relating to this white downtrending line. If you do notice, we broke out from that line and we retraced to it. So I think this could be setting up for further upside. And so, yeah, I think the chart looks really good. I do think $3 is a pretty key level to be getting a close above. May not happen today, as I do think it would be good for price to pull back a little bit, maybe fill this gap here. Friday's high was at a price of $2.85. So if we could dip down to that level, either on Tuesday or Wednesday this week, I think that could be setting the stock up to rally, possibly to fill this gap to the upside at $3.57, perhaps getting up to $4 a share or higher. And so looking at the chart here, what we can see is this purple downtrend I've drawn based on these two pivot lows, one being hit on January 30th, the other being hit on February 22nd. We did get a test of that, respected it, and then moved a lot higher, did not form a bear flag. Also, this gray downtrend, I have pointed that out before, I believe. That actually goes back quite far back in time based on the pivot lows over here. That's the end of the year 2022, beginning of the year 2023, and then also the pivot point over here that was hit in November of 2023, did break below it, so I thought that seemed invalidated, but then we did test that line with a couple wicks down below it on February 22nd and 23rd. Did get another fake out break below it, but then we reclaimed it, tested it, and then launched. So this does look to me like we have broken above, this falling wedge here based on this purple downtrend, but you may have also noticed it from the larger picture view that there is this white downtrend going back to the low that was hit on January 19th of 2023, so more than a year ago, and then the other pivot point being actually, it looks like that, not that pivot point, the other pivot point being over here, the low hit on November 10th of 2023. And that looks like, it's forming this giant falling wedge with a smaller wedge within it. So, I do think that if we are able to respect 285, bounce from that, I do think price could be going up to $3.57, if not $4 a share. And, it's quite possible this could just be, a long-term bottom. So I do think there is a lot of upside potential for Lucid Motors. If there is a little bit of a pullback, I think that could be a great dip buying opportunity and a test of the top of this wedge as support before launching higher. So yeah, I just wanted to put this video out to follow up on my bad call last week, but I do think this stock is set up for great potential now, so I'm really excited about it. I hope you are too, but those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy trading.